Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to edit picture watermark in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to edit this picture watermark. Go to the View menu and select the master page option. Then select this picture. Now we can see we select this picture. Go to the picture format menu. You can use the effect. Click the effect and you can use shadow, reflection, etc. Now I go back again the reflection option and add a reflection. Then go to the master pages menu. Click close master page. Now we can see we edit picture watermark very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.